Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. They're gonna show you how to set up the timer in your Galaxy M15. To go to the timer, just slide up, go to clock here, and down here we have a few options. There is a timer, so go there. And now you can set up the timer. This is a predictable F3 option, that is 10, 15 and 30 minutes. Or you can set up your own preference to set up the timer. Yep, so when you set up the timer, you can stop and it will be counting down. And after that, when this comes to the end, the phone will be ringing and you have a notification about the timer is up to end with the counting. So you can pause anyway, you can resume or delete. And that's it about the timer. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey!